I in one corner. Sonos drops a futuristic smart speaker with Dolby Atmos that wraps sound around you like a sonic cocoon. In the other, JBL throws down a wired beast. No frills, no filters, just raw, chest-pounding audio muscle. Forget the marketing hype. Wireless magic or wired power? I tested both. Back to back. For weeks. This is the brutal truth no one else dares to say. Round 1. Sound quality. Sonos Era 300, the spatial audio wizard. Dolby Atmos in a single box? Yes. Room-filling immersion? Absolutely. But there's a catch. While it sounds wide, it lacks the razor-sharp precision of true stereo separation. Think of it like a bubble. It surrounds but doesn't strike. High-res audio. Compressed over Wi-Fi. For audiophiles chasing purity, that's a big red flag. JBL Stage 2, the audiophile's hammer. This is pure stereo firepower. Every note, every instrument, crystal clear and punchy, if you've got the amp to back it up. With a solid setup, it destroys smart speakers in realism. FLAC wave, high resolution, bit perfect and unfiltered. For true audio heads, it's night and day. Round 2, setup and usability. Sonos Era 300, plug-and-play genius. No wires. No mess. TruePlay tunes it to your room in seconds. Stream anything over Wi-Fi. Voice control. App control. Automatic updates. It just works flawlessly. But there's a wall, you're locked in. No analog inputs, no Bluetooth freedom, no external upgrades. You play by Sonos rules. JBL Stage 2, the purist's canvas. Freedom. Plug it into any amp you want. Denon, Yamaha, Marantz, you name it. Control every piece of your signal chain. Want a better DAC or to add subs? Go for it. No limits. No firmware locks. But you'll need speaker wire, space, and gear. This isn't for casual listeners. It's for builders, modders, and audio warriors. The dirty secret. Here's what they don't tell you. Wireless convenience comes with a hidden cost: compression. Sonos downsamples your high-resolution FLAC or Tidal masters. What you hear is good, but not lossless. JBL, on the other hand, plays every bit exactly as it was mastered. No compression, no shortcuts. But there's a flip side. JBL demands more. More gear, more setup, more space. You choose easy magic or uncompromised fidelity. Final verdict. Choose the Sonos Era 300 if you want room-filling Dolby Atmos in one clean package. You love smart features, sleek design, and multi-room control. Choose the JBL Stage 2 if you demand audiophile-grade stereo and zero compression. You want full upgrade control and hate ecosystem lock-in. There is no best, only what's best for you. For wireless simplicity, Sonos wins. For raw sound power, JBL crushes it. Which team are you on? Team Sonos or Team JBL? Drop your pick in the comments. We're watching. And next up, wireless versus wired in 2025. The battle isn't over. The answer? It shocked even us. Smash that subscribe button if you want real reviews with zero fluff.